Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to delete your Facebook page. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in one of my Facebook pages. Now to delete this, on the top right you'll find this three line. Tap on this and scroll down and tap on this setting and privacy. Over here you can find settings. Tap on this. And over here you can see page setting. Tap on this and now scroll down and now you'll find this access and control. Tap on this. After that you'll find this interface. Here you can find deactivation and deletion. And over here to delete this page, just select this delete page and after that be confirmed that you are sure to delete this page. If you are confirmed, just tap on this continue. And now you can choose anything from here. If you don't want to select anything, that's okay, just tap on continue. And after that, scroll down and tap on this delete account. You will be asked to enter your password before you can delete this page. I'll enter mine. And as soon as you enter your password, just tap on continue. And now here is the final confirmation to delete your page. Just tap on this delete account. After that, you can see you have successfully deleted your Facebook page. In this way, we can delete a Facebook page. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.